Hello and welcome to this little video. Today we're gonna look at codemonkey's demo of his new game called dinkyguardians. As a fellow game developer, I know how valuable it is to get people's immediate thoughts and ideas and reactions to your game as you're developing it, because that helps you shape the game so much, because you discover what people don't see that you expect and what they see that you didn't expect them to see. So let's take a look at that and give my immediate feedback to codemonkey as a way to pay back for all the good tutorials, because I have seen a lot of your tutorials and I used the multiplayer one to get started with the multiplayer feature that I'm working on adding to Fireworks Mania. Anyway, let's take a look. So here we have it. It's a demo. It's part of the next fest on Steam right now, I think. Let's jump right into it. And I have never played it before. The reason it says 2 minutes here is because I started before, because I started recording this video, but then everything crashed and was weird. And it's doing the same again now. As soon as I start the game, I thought it was my machine, so I restarted my computer to be sure that wasn't the problem. But as you can see here, it's super laggy and weird when the game starts. I looked in the task manager and it doesn't seem like it used a lot of power, so I don't know what it is. But as soon as I start the game, it does like this. So this is the first feedback. It makes my recording weird. Could also be a driver issue on my end. I don't know. It just only happens when I start this game. So multiplayer, let's pick a color and let's click on new game. Let's see. Okay, is there any sound? So how do I control? Okay, so goal, clone 30 dinkies, build rockets, yada yada, move around. I don't know what this game is about. It looks like some tower defense kind of upgrading game, I don't know. But move ASD, that works, and interact E and so on. Okay, so gather resources from stone resources, so I click here, collect that. I can throw it, but where should I deliver it? Somewhere. First initial thoughts is that the graphics is really good. I like the style of this outline graphic and it runs pretty smooth. And now you can see my recording is also good again, I think. So there's something going on in the menu that is not very nice. And also I think the animation of that avatar you pick in the beginning was kind of laggy. So I think something is wrong in the main menu. But anyway, run around here. Looks pretty good. I like the style. Really like the style with this black outline. Okay, it says there in the white one here. Clone a dinky. Inspect the HQ and clone thing. So how do I clone a dinky? And where is the HQ? Can I... that's some debug stuff. Okay, fair enough. Released 6 hours ago. Okay, let me throw this. Maybe I need... okay, so I need to... Okay, I picked it up and then I can't do anything other than throw it. Okay, so I can clone it. By the way, there seems to be no sound or no music in the game, just for the record. So I'll put some background music on here. So inspect dinky, give it a gather resource nodes order, gather green crystals, move the cursor and press E to select. Okay, so inspect dinky. So I can pick up, I can inspect on F. So I can pick, okay. Tell things to follow, give them a feed dinky, add power. Okay, let's just try, because I'm really confused about what's going on actually, to be honest. But I also just jumped in and didn't read anything, so I guess I'm a typical user. Inspect dinky, give it a gather resource. Okay, so gather resource nodes, start order. And it's select an area. Okay. Okay, so I can say select start order. Okay, so now that one starts collecting these. Can I clone a dinky again? Inspect and craft, create. Okay, can I maybe? Just want to see this one, and then gather resource nodes, and then select area, and then I can say these red ones here. Start order. I don't know how it should be different, but it feels like I have to click a little too much, too many times, or so now it's hungry. So I need to feed it or something like that. Feed. Okay, so I need to keep my dinkies alive with these apples or food or whatever it is. Okay, yeah, so they are my workers. I can collect this myself too. Okay, so I can do it. Okay, I can do it myself too. But let's see. Inspect HQ and craft a create container. So create a container capsule to hold resources. Okay, craft container. Craft. Pick up the capsule, move somewhere near HQ and interact alternative to place it. Yeah, okay, and place it. For the first crate, you must place it near the HQ. Yes. Then construct it. Okay, so E to construct it. Okay. Give second Dinky order to grab the resource. Okay, I need to feed it first. The feeding part, maybe the tutorial-wise, I don't know if it makes sense. Tutorial-wise, maybe I shouldn't feed them because I don't think I was told to do. But okay, I figure it out, so maybe it's not a big deal. Give second Dinky order to grab the resources. First one is gathering. Select the area, the green crystal, and select the crate. Okay, inspect. So grab the resources. So that must be this one area. So collecting. Oh, so that's the an object. Is that green? Okay, so that's weird. If power is the blue ones, it's weird that it's not the same looking as all the other ones. I could recognize them. Okay, and then to this or what? Start order. Okay, so it's very much an order game where you make your minions do stuff. Okay, makes sense. For some reason it feels a little, maybe it's just in the beginning, but it feels a little, I have to click many times to do stuff. I don't know how I could do it simpler, but yeah. Okay, let's see. Interact with HQ, click the button to change crafting recipe. Now this one comes and I have no idea what to do other than I can punch it. Okay, so I won. Okay, interact with HQ. Maybe these monsters shouldn't be here until I'm ready, but it's when we are going with a tutorial that kind of goes step to step, maybe it's a little weird that stuff comes in, but at the other side I also like it because the best tutorial really is to have no text and just have stuff be so intuitive, glow up, light up, blink, so you cannot do the right thing. But that's a whole another tutorial way. But that's I think that's the best tutorial when you're just starting out, and then if this one was just flashing and then you would go here and you could only do one thing and you can only do the right thing all the time instead of this text thing. I know the text thing is much faster to do, but yeah, think about it. Anyway, interact with HQ, click the button because now it's very much text I have to read. Interact with HQ, click the button to change crafting. Oops, now I picked something up. No, why is it? Okay, click the button to change crafting recipe. Then click the input button, select create. Need to place another quick container. What? So this one? What? For this crafting recipe, you need to place another create container. Assign them both and place the resources. Craft a research. Okay, I don't understand. Okay, interact with HQ. I've done that. Click the button to change the recipe. Okay, let's try again. So change crafting recipe. That must be clicking on this one. Then click the button to change. It's to change crafting recipe. Then click the input button. But it just said I needed to click the button to change crafting recipe. Okay, am I completely stupid here? The input button and select the create container. You need to. I'm guessing now that, again, coming back to the intuitive stuff, I think something is wrong in this text. I think what you mean is that I need to click this and then I need to, no, I don't. Place the resources, craft the resource lab, capture and then build. Okay, let's go again. Interact with HQ, click the button to change crafting recipe. Then click the input button to change the crafting recipe. So I interact with HQ, done that. Click the button to change crafting recipe. Then click the input button and select create. But the input button and select create. So I'm just creating a new one. For this one, you need to place another create container. I'm completely lost now. Okay, am I too stupid for this? Okay, I have seen other people. I've seen other people saying that they play for some hours and try different stuff. But I get into something weird here. No input, have 10 green crystals. Yeah, so yeah, sorry to stop it pretty early, but this is also some kind of input that I'm already stuck. I could maybe play more, but I don't want to make this video like an hour long. But this is what I ran into. As a player now, right now, I feel stuck. Of course, I could, if I was playing like just for myself, I would of course try and do various things, because I kind of sense that it might be because I'm low on resources or something, but it's not very clear, or I'm missing something. And if I'm doing that, people will tell me in the comments. But anyway, so that is my immediate feedback. I would love to give more feedback, but the general thing, it looks very good. The game looks really nice. There's something wrong in the menu, performance-wise, or something wrong. The graphic style here with the outline, perfect, but I think you need to do some work for simplifying this somehow. I know that's easy to say, hard to do, but there's something that is not intuitive here. It might also just be me not playing too much crafting games like Rust and yeah, Minecraft and stuff like that. I haven't played that a lot, so I might not be, that's not my home field, but tower defense kind of games is my thing. And this looks like something like that, so this could be a game that I would try out. But right now it seems and feels good, but it feels a little strange to interact with and play, if that makes sense. So yeah, that was my little playthrough or play test of Dinky Guardians. Hope you can use the feedback, even though I didn't get that far, but that's also valuable. At least as a game dev, I know that stuff like this could actually be very valuable to improve your game. So I hope you can use the codemonkey. And for the rest of you, hope you enjoyed some kind of gameplay. And you can try the game yourself right now. There's a free demo on Steam. So search for Dinky Guardians, and I will also leave a link in the description, of course, so you can check it out. With that, see you.